You can't afford a house, but here's the thing, it's not your fault. They'll say it's because you bought iced coffee or because you didn't grind hard enough. But the truth, the game is rigged. And today we're gonna show you how to unrig it or at least stop bleeding in it. This is the Tough Finance, where we tell the truth the banks don't want sponsored. Section 1, Why You Can't Afford a Home 2025 edition. Let's break it down. Home prices up 40 to 60% since the pandemic. Wages barely moved. Interest rates highest in a decade. Inventory non-existent. Competition, you versus investors with cash and software. You're not losing because you're lazy. You're losing because the system rewards people who already own assets, not people trying to start. This isn't a market, it's a casino where the dealers already own the table. Section 2, What's broken and who broke it. Let's name names. Zoning laws that block duplexes but allow golf courses. NIMBYs who want housing but not near them. Local governments choking supply with red tape. Wall Street funds buying started homes like Pokemon cards. Low property taxes that incentivize underbuilding. Forever landlords hoarding homes for Airbnb. The Fed slashing and hiking rates like it's a Guitar Hero. And guess what? No one is in a rush to fix it, because the people with power already own homes. Section 3, so how do we fix it? Alright, here's how you could actually fix the affordability crisis if we had the guts. Option 1, build more, everywhere, faster. Legalize duplexes, triplexes, ADUs, kill single family only zoning, fast track permits, penalize cities that block constructions, incentivize infill not sprawl, more supply equals lower prices. It's not theory, it's math. Option 2, crack down on corporate landlords, cap how many homes a hunch fund can buy in one zip code, tax vacant properties, ban institutional buyers from scooping up starter homes, regulate short-term rentals that eat long-term supply. You shouldn't lose a home bid to someone named BlackRock Acquisitions LLC. Option 3, make mortgages less predatory. Limit junk fees. Cap variable rate shock. Force lenders to underwrite reality, not best case scenarios. Expand down payment assistance for the first time actual homeowners, not flippers. Make buying a home a financial decision, not a Hunger Games simulator. Option 4, tax the hell out of vacant units. Want to own a second home and never use it? That's fine, but you should be taxed into the stratosphere for removing supply from people who live here. Option 5, public housing that isn't garbage. Build government-run housing people actually want to live in. Mix income levels, add amenities, make it sustainable. Ditch the Soviet bloc aesthetics. House people first, profit later. But none of that happens unless people stop pretending this system is normal. Section 4, what you can do right now. Until the world wakes up, here's how you protect yourself. Know your rent to income ratio. If it is above 35%, you're on a razor's edge. Build savings, not for a house, for a leverage. House hack if you can. Live with roommates, rent a unit, own something small. Invest outside housing. You can grow wealth without owning real estate. Get politically involved. Local city councils are where housing wars are won. You don't have to win this game to survive it. You just have to stop playing it by the rules that were built to break you. You can't afford a house because the system was designed for you not to, but systems can change if enough people stop apologizing for losing a game they never got to play. This is the Tough Finance. Stay cynical, stay solvent, and remember, you're not broke, you're being outbid by the future your parents invested in.